thank you for purchasing the Airlite-X from CareCo. We're confident that it will make a huge difference to your life. But before you get started, we've made a short video to help you with its assembly and also to make sure that you get the very most from your new CareCo product. Your scooter should arrive fully boxed, as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. If the box is still fitted with these plastic ties, simply cut them loose with a pair of scissors. Carefully cut the tape to open the box. Inside you'll find the scooter with some key components carefully placed on top. Remove the seat and the front basket and set them aside. Please keep hold of the instruction manual as it contains useful information on the assembly, operation and charging of the scooter. Remove the rest of the cardboard packaging to access the body of the scooter. The front and the rear of the scooter come already connected. We advise you to not attempt to lift this as one piece unless you have assistance. To remove the scooter with reduced weight and size, first raise the tiller bar. Unlock the tiller bar by loosening the knob at the base and tightening the knob again to lock it safely. You can now lift out the battery. We advise you keep one hand on the seat base for leverage. Then disconnect the front and rear section of the scooter by lifting this lever behind the seat base. Once disconnected, you can lift out the rear section separately. Lower the tiller bar again and make sure to lock it to ensure it won't swing away when removing the front section. Now you can lift out the front section and set it aside. Cut off the remaining wrapping with a pair of scissors. Please take care to avoid scratching the body of the scooter in the process. Reconnect the front and rear section by lining up the bar beneath the front section with the hooks on the rear so they can click back into place. Once you have raised up the tiller bar and locked it, drop the battery pack back into place. Connect the battery to the scooter by plugging in this cable with a 3-point pin plug. To activate your scooter, please use the ignition key supplied. On your tiller display, a light will indicate if the scooter is switched on, and the battery gauge will let you know if the battery is fully charged. Before your first use of the scooter, we recommend that you charge the battery for 12 hours. If you intend to move the scooter manually in freewheel mode with the battery disconnected, please take care to ensure that the cable is out of the way of the rear wheel, as these can become entangled. If the scooter is switched on while still in freewheel mode, this light will flash on the display and the tiller controls will remain disabled. If you wish to resume driving the scooter, ensure the scooter is in drive mode by flicking the red switch on the back of the scooter to the correct position. In your order, you should find a small clear bag. Inside is a bolt to lock the seat to the post, as well as additional fixings for armrests and other accessories should you wish to purchase them. Drop the seat post into the seat base. When you've found your desired seat height, push in the bolt to secure the post. Then drop the seat on top. The lever beneath the seat can be used to swivel the seat, and on top of the base are grooves to secure the seat into a fixed position. Once you've added the front basket, assembly is now complete. Please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you need to return the item. When using the scooter, please adjust the height of the seat and the angle of the tiller bar so that you can operate it adopting a comfortable position. Please take care to maintain your scooter. Cleaning kits are available from CareCo to keep your scooter tidy and hygienic. If you have any more questions about the Airlite-X or its assembly, then please do get in touch. You can have a look at the website, pop into one of our showrooms, or maybe just give us a call and speak to one of our customer service advisors. Thanks for watching. Take care.